Before we start, subscribe our channel to support us. Okay, now let's get back to the trailer. It was a good night for DC FanDome viewers who got a pretty big glimpse at Robert Pattinson in The Batman. Director Matt Reeves may have only filmed 25% of the highly anticipated movie, but he managed to bring along a pretty substantial trailer for his new film. We get our first look at Paul Dano's Riddler, along with a couple of other surprises and Easter eggs along the way. The trailer opens with a man dressed in a green coat, gas mask, and has his face completely covered. Though we don't know his identity, it appears this may be our Riddler. He's seen taping up a man's face in a gruesome scene, which fans of the comics might spot as a reference to supervillain Hush, who is often seen with a taped-up face for a costume. Hush has previous ties to the Riddler, and their paths most definitely cross in the universe, but where he normally wears surgical tape over his face, this duct tape effort is most certainly a grim twist on the character. But while we don't get a clear identifying shot of Riddler, his presence is still very much in the trailer. Batman, who is donning his newly revealed costume, is called to a crime scene, and though he doesn't have a good relationship with Gotham City PD from the looks of things, they most definitely need his help. A card is addressed to Bruce Wayne and features riddles, code, and a healthy bit of rhyming. From your secret friend. Who? Haven't a clue? Let's play a game, just me and you. Speaking of his villain, Reeves said. Paul Dano plays a version of the Riddler that no one has ever seen before. What he's doing is, I think, going to blow people's minds. It's always about trying to square what you know with what's new. Elsewhere in the gripping trailer, which is set to Nirvana's Something in the Way, fans get their first look at Catwoman, played by Zoe Kravitz. She seems to be breaking into somewhere, and it isn't long before she ends up in a fight with Bruce. Director Reeves also confirmed an early release date for The Batman, placing it at October 2021. The Batman will be released in October 2021. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to support me and want more of these videos.